OpenAI just launched the biggest ChatGPT update of 2026. New AI models, a powerful work agent, personal finance features, and a Chrome extension. This update changes everything. If you're a ChatGPT user, this affects how you engage with it. If you haven't started using it, this is your moment to jump in. Let's break down all the key changes in simple terms. No tech jargon here. Just clarity on what has changed and why it matters to you. First up, OpenAI has introduced GPT 5.6. This update splits the model into 3 tiers. Imagine choosing a car. Sol is the flagship model, packed with power. It is designed for those wanting the premium ChatGPT experience. Then there is Terra, the balanced option. It's fast and reliable, your everyday go-to model. Finally, we have Luna, the lightweight version. It's quick and efficient, great for simple tasks. So, if you're on the free plan, you only get Luna. But paid users gain access to all 3 models. You can choose what fits your needs best. The names are celestial. Sol means sun, Terra means earth, and Luna means moon. Easy to remember and human-centric. Next up is a game changer, ChatGPT Work. Launched on July 9th, it transforms from a chatbot to an agent. What does this mean for you? Simply connect ChatGPT Work to your files or apps. Now, instead of asking questions, give it tasks. Research my competitors and summarize. Go through my emails and pinpoint action items. ChatGPT performs these tasks from start to finish as you focus on other work. This shift means AI is now an assistant, not just a tool. For small business owners and professionals, it's revolutionary. Tasks that used to take hours can now be handed off. ChatGPT Work is available for paid users. If you're unsure about upgrading, this is the reason to do it. Now let's move on to the redesigned ChatGPT desktop app. This update makes it easier to navigate. Each time you open it, you choose between chat and work modes. Your projects are organized within the app. Conversations sync automatically across devices, making it hassle-free. For regular users, this enhances your productivity. Less time navigating, more time accomplishing tasks. The app update is live on both Mac and Windows. Now for a significant feature, personal finance integration. For Plus users in the US, you can link your financial accounts to ChatGPT. It offers a dashboard view of your finances. You can ask questions like, "Where's my money going this month?" Or, "Am I on track to meet my savings goal?" These are real questions, receiving personalized answers from your data. This change positions ChatGPT as a financial assistant, making it very relevant. Currently, this feature is rolling out in the US, but more regions will follow. For new users, here's what this update means for you. Firstly, the free version remains free and offers solid functionality with Luna. Secondly, the paid plan is worth the investment. ChatGPT Work boosts productivity immensely for businesses and freelancers. Lastly, using AI versus not using it just got more significant. Every update enhances the capabilities for those engaged with AI. Remember, you're already ahead just by being informed. We've covered 5 major changes, all aimed at making ChatGPT a collaborative assistant. AI is transforming how we work and live. There's no question about that. The real question is, are you evolving with it? To stay ahead, subscribe to AIplified. Each week, I break down AI news and tools in straightforward language. Next week, I'll reveal 5 proven ways to earn money using free AI tools, relevant for 2026. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you next week.